I am explain about the 3 into 8 decoder. Before that, definition of the decoder. Decoder is a combination logic circuit. So that means it converts one form to another forms. That is known as the decoder. So example for the decoder circuits: 2 into 4 decoder, 3 into 8 decoder, and BCD to decimal decoder. So here BCD to decimal decoder, also known as the 4 into 10 decoder. So now I am explain about the actual circuit diagram of the 3 into 8 decoder. Here the symbol of the 3 into 8 decoder is shown here. There are 3 inputs A, B, C and 8 different outputs D0 to D7, and here input n is equal to 3 and output 2 power n. So here applying input 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So that is the different combinational outputs D0 to D7. And next truth table of the 3 into 8 decoder shown here. Here 3 inputs A, B, C and 8 different outputs D0 to D7. So here applying inputs 0, 0, 0. Then we get D0 is the highest output and remaining all outputs are the lower anamata. And next applying 0, 0, 1 input, then D1 is the highest output and remaining all others are the lower outputs. And by applying next 0, 1, 0, then D2 is the higher output and remaining all are the lower outputs. And next by applying 0, 1, 1, then D3 is the higher output and remaining all outputs are the zeros. And next by applying 1, 0, 0, then D4 is the higher output and remaining all outputs are the low. And next by applying 1, 0, 1, then D5 is the higher output and remaining all are the lower outputs. And next 1, 1, 0, applying this input, so then we get D6 is the higher output and remaining all are the zeros. And finally we are applying 1, 1, 1 input, so then D7 is the higher output and remaining all outputs are the lower. So by using truth table we can explain about the outputs D0 to D7. And here according to the standard SOP form, in SOP form 0 is the complemented and 1 is the uncomplemented. So by using that SOP form you can write the different outputs by using the above truth table. And here D0 is 0, 0, 0 means A bar, B bar, C bar. And next D1 is A bar, B bar, C. And next output D2 is the A bar, B, C bar. And D3 is A bar, B, C. D4 is equal to A, B bar, C bar. And D5 is equal to A, B bar, C. And D6 is equal to A, B, C bar. And final output D7 is equal to A, B, C element. So by using this output we can draw the final circuit diagram of the 3 into 8 decoder. So here 3 different inputs A, B, C. Here A is the LSB bits, means least significant bits, and C is the most significant bits. So by using this ABC you can complement their another circuit, that is nothing but by adding the NOT gate you can complement the A bar, B bar, C bar. and you can draw the D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 outputs. First you can draw the D0. So D0 means A bar, B bar, C bar. So simply you can take from A, B, C terminals and draw the AND gate. AND gate means it is the product from any inputs 2 or 3. And next we can draw the D1 equal to A, B bar, C bar. So you can take A from the input and B bar is the complement of the B terminal and C complement is taken from the C terminal. So like that we can draw all the different 8 outputs by using the truth table up to D0 to D7 and you can conclude the 3 into 8 decoder circuit diagram. Thank you.